I will now show you the master plan for PET 690 well completion and intervention. Well completion is the first half of the course and well intervention is the second half. Depicted is first month of teaching lasting from mid-August to mid-September. Monday, 31st of August, we introduced the Python MATLAB homework project with student delivery 1 month later by Wednesday, 30th of September. The first homework is due Wednesday, 16th of September. Please observe weekly reading assignments in the textbook. In the middle of September, we look at Darcy's equation and skin factor. In the fourth week of September, the two open-hole lower completions in focus are standalone screens, SAS, and open-hole gravel pack, OHGP. After that time, the remainder of the semester is all about well intervention. At the end of October, we discuss well barriers for both well completion and for well intervention. For subsea well intervention, we include open water coiled tubing, OWCT, in spite of not being qualified for live well work at present moment. Pilot holes were drilled from floating vessel using coiled tubing in the Rogfast subsea road project, 250 meters of water, and on the Butch field near the Ula field in the very southwest corner of the Norwegian continental shelf, 70 meters of water. The review session for completion and intervention takes place in the middle of November. Exam date in previous years has always been 7 to 10 days before end of November. In other words, historically there is short time between review and exam. Exam date and time for PET 690 Autumn 2020 will be posted on Canvas once made official. The final written examination this year is organized exactly as before with 5+5 sections. However, there are differences. There is a shift in regards to questions answered with words. This semester, change focus is from asking the student for information to asking the student for good use of this information. The course follows hybrid model, which means that the final exam could be taken either on campus or off campus. Pending university decision, one scenario is that all students take their final exam off campus. Duration of the final exam is 4 hours as before. Time allowance is granted to students for scanning at home and transmitting file to the university. A digital exam form is assumed throughout the semester. This is essentially an open book test taken at home with full access to teaching material and homework. Exam questions often relate to knowledge gathered from homework solution. On exam questions, you will use same theory as in homework, but the approach to solve the problem could be different.